HE Minister and also Chairman of the Regional Committee on Border Dispute in charge of West KHASI Hills, Renikton TONGKHAR, had met the Chairman of the Regional Committee from Assam on the 5th of January 2022 to discuss on solutions to the ongoing border issue between Meghalaya and Assam. While speaking to reporters on 6th January, Renikton TONGKHAR said that talks are still on to settle the pending border issue between the two states. He added that both sides are hopeful that a permanent solution should be arrived at before the 50th year celebration of statehood of Meghalaya.
Yeah, you see, we had two meetings recently on 30th of last month, as well as on 5th of this month. We had a meeting, and as I always said that the meeting is always positive, so it will be good only. I can't say whether we up to what percentage we can solve these differences, but we are trying hard to reduce to the minimum the area of differences, if not all, but to some extent there will be a solution before we celebrate the 50th year, before we celebrate the Golden Jubilee of the state. We hope that there will be a settlement. The only thing is that whether that settlement can be disclosed to people, we are yet to know that. Maybe we can disclose, maybe we will not disclose to people, but there will be an agreement, there will be a settlement. And in some places for which we do not settle, we may agree to disagree. So it depends on the village to village. But I'm telling you, as of now, the thing is very positive, even though we cannot disclose, I'm not supposed to disclose the internal matters of this talk that we had. It all depends on the wisdom of our Chief Minister, because at the end of the day, our committee reports, our committee recommendation will reach to the level of the Chief Minister, and we have already submitted. So whatever the meeting that we had also in these two meetings, it not in fact the meeting that we are still have to decide, but we are discussing, we have discussed to help our board Chief Minister to understand better before they take the final decision.